Three, two, one. Holy cow. What a pain in the butt it was to get on air today. As you can see with this very small frame, I must be using the iPhone 4, I think, that I got for Christmas. Thank you. Wink, wink, you know who you are. My Pamela, if anybody's worked with Pamela for Skype, to record Skype, I think I paid $30-something, and it's just, I try to start it now, and so say hello to Apple iPhone 4, and Pele, if you're wondering, Pele. Anyways, welcome to Astro-tard News for January 31st, 2013. Interesting news, I guess, is Comet Lemmon. I hope that you are in the know of what's going on, if there is something to know about what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I'm just finding out, like you. We're going to find out. Comet Lemmon. January 30th, 2013, New Zealand Herald, Comet Lemmon visible in New Zealand skies. 2013 is going to be like, I don't know what to say. So I guess we have to just talk about it anyways, huh? 2013, the year of a great comet. And we're going to get to see a great comet. A part of the great comet of 1680. My friend, and I have to do the math. I'm not going to do the math, so y'all rag me if I get it wrong. My friend did the math, Billy, who's being trained to be a yogi. He said some other yogi words, yogis. Forgive me, the yogis and the yogis in training, and the gurus who are, who aren't, and the aren't gurus who are. Where were we? I'm gonna lose track. Comet Billy, not Comet Billy, Comet Lemmon, C2012 F6 Lemmon. Billy said 333 years. Has it been 680? 1680. That makes 320 years to the year 2000. 320 years to the year 2000. 13 years. It was 333 years since a great comet. My kind of number. I bet you it's your kind of number too. Anyways. Let's move on. Before we get to the comments, I want to say thank you, everyone. Yesterday was my birthday. You didn't get a video yesterday, so this is why I'm compelled to look at you through my iPhone 4 instead of the Pamela-driven Skype recording Logitech camera from John's Ascoda. Thank you very much. I couldn't get working for a while, so we're just going to go with it. I'm going to try to move along. 333 years, great comet. That is a comet I saw. We're not even talking about that comet. Right now we're talking about Comet Lemmon, the comet that's showing up in the southern hemisphere, the southern skies, visible in New Zealand. Green comet. My friend Orlando Linguistri, I've said his name before. There's a few, listen, there's a few of my friends who I know, where I get information from and have relationships and friends are still friends with, that I can get information from, that I trust highly. My access to equipment, tools, astronomy, data, etc., knowledge bases, what I've gone through is okay. More than others, not as much as others. I'm satisfied watching, paying attention to what information I get given to me for right now, if I have to, and if if there's some fire burning somewhere and they need a fireman, I'll be your fireman if I need to be. But right now, I'm just watching and enjoying the show. I don't know what you're doing. Comet Lemmons visible in New Zealand skies. And so green comet, someone said the word whatever, cyanide, I don't know. I still don't know. So we're still getting into the process of this. We'll discover this. Somebody will come and comment. And the comments are the best information. Most of the time it's on YouTube videos anyways. The videos are worthless and the comments are where the information is. And so that was the first thing when I searched Comet Lemmon on Google. Comet Lemmon is visible in the skies above New Zealand and is shining brighter than expected. The director of the Royal Astronomical Society ... Comets to watch out for. January 21st, 2013. The Deccan Herald. Comet C 2012 F6 Lemmon began this month in Centaur's constellation at ... For observers located at mid-northern latitudes, Comet Lemmon is ... not visible right now. Or not visible, as far as I understand. Somebody can tell me if I'm wrong. Again, it's up to you, the viewer, the person who's interested in these comets. If you have the information, listen, the YouTube producer, me, we get questions and we get, I already know what's going on. So if you've got real information, go ahead and leave it. That's what you're here for. 213 Comet may be brightest ever seen. 20 Fox News, January 13th. 20 of this year might become one of the brightest comets ever seen by the Mount Lemmon survey in Arizona and the panoramic survey. So there's lots of surveys. Let's see, I'm just reading down. Space.com. Astrophotographer John Drummond sent in his photo of Comet Lemmon taken on January 23rd, 2013. He writes, Comet Lemmon has been putting... Let's go ahead to Space.com. I know a man named John Drummond, but I'm sure there's lots of men named John Drummond. And there's lots of people photographing, astrophotographers, like Orlando Liguistri. Again, I don't know why I keep using his name, because he speaks Italian, and when he posts his pictures, its comments are in Italian, and I don't really get very much in the comments, so I have to cut this short. I do have to cut this short. So, oops, Google Chrome could not connect to www.space.com. I wanted to say hello to everyone. Thank you for the birthday wishes from yesterday. We'll scroll down. We also have, besides Comet Lemmon, but let's get to Comet Lemmon. Oh, I should really look at the JPL. And it's C2012 F6 Lemmon. C2012 F6 Lemmon. See, I've done this before. 2011 was fun. 2013, I'm like really kind of excited because we actually get to see something. We may actually get to experience a computer that works, or a comet that's very bright. I'm inside of ssd.jpl.nasa.gov, and I just got a crash. Page is unresponsive. I'm going to go ahead and wait it. ssd.jpl.nasa.gov. It is the place where you go for orbital diagrams from NASA. Now, I'm sure, and I haven't heard from. I haven't heard from a few of my friends so far. And it'll be interesting to see what they are having to say. Oh, snap, about what's going on. I guess for right now, it's 9:04. Birthday wishes, I want to thank you for those. This Comet Lemmon is going to pass in between Venus. Okay, the orbits, let's get this straight. Here's going to be one of the things. This Comet Lemmon is going to pass in between the orbits of Venus and Earth. Okay, Venus and Earth are not going to be here where the comet is going in between here. Okay, but here is the Earth orbit, the edge, and here's the edge, and the Venus and the comet's going to go up. I need to discover first how far the comet is from Earth at its closest approach. Somewhere in here. I would like to know that because I don't know that. And then I want you to know that it takes Earth 6 months to get here. So when this comet is coming up between the orbits of Earth and Venus, it'll take all the way till September. Well, great, September. You know, they've got it now, so every month it's got a problem. Okay, so they'll just, don't you worry about it. And it'll take 6 months from there. And I guess that'll be it. That's Astro-tard news for today. Pamela for Skype, where were you? You fell out. Hi to everyone. Looking forward to things coming up in the near future. Hoping, because I haven't made a lot of videos, hoping that my peeps in the southern hemisphere observatories, I mean, you are dealing with your own with struggles, and we think of those, and our hearts are with you. So hopefully rebuilding, hopefully whatever possible things can be recovered, restored, made whole, are going to be done like that. Because I know, what I do know is there's a tight-knit community of people to help each other get through struggles, even struggles as hard as the ones the southern observatories dealt with over the last few months. So Pete, Rob, Peter, everyone, iTelescope.net, the observatories, Siding Spring observatories. There are other astronomers there that I follow on Facebook, which our hearts go out to them. I plan on visiting iTelescope.net to take pictures of some comets. Maybe you should go to iTelescope.net too and take some pictures of your own comets. That's what we're here for. We take pictures, talk about what's going on. Updates from the observatory, the Cosmic Obsession Observatory. There will be new updates from the observatory. Count on it. All right, the dogs are saying it's over. I agree. Goodbye.